Hey everybody, it's me Stacy here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, and welcome to today's Make It Monday event. I'm going to tell you, I feel a little frenzied. I feel like, I am leaving for Germany in 3 days. I leave on Thursday. And my to-do list, every time I take something off my to-do list, 2 more things get added to the bottom of my to-do list. And I do not know how this is happening, but the list, it just keeps growing. So I'm feeling a bit frenzied right now. I'm trying to calm it down and rein it on in. But I know the list of things that has to get done before I leave. And I'm going to Germany for Creative World. So I'm going as a buyer. I go every year because that's where I find the best little nuggets of goodness from manufacturers that none of us have ever heard of before. And I just stumble into their booth and find a little something that rocks everybody's world. But this year I'm also going as a licensed designer for Sizzix and Jacquard. So it's changing my roles just a little bit. I'm splitting time between being, hey, I'm Stacy, licensed designer for Sizzix and Jacquard, to, hey, I'm Stacy, Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. I even have different sweatshirts for the occasion. When I'm Stacy Sizzix, I've got a Stacy Sizzix sweatshirt that I wear around. But when I'm Stacy Scrapbooking Made Simple, I have a different sweatshirt in a different color. That way, I just have to look at the sweatshirt to remember who I'm supposed to be at the time. It's self-preservation, those sweatshirts. One's kind of teal, and one's purple, and all I have to do is go, oh, purple, I'm Scrapbooking Made Simple, or, oh, teal, I'm Sizzix Jacquard. I will be doing lives from Creative World. I'll have videos and all sorts of goodness for you. So if you are not on our Facebook page, Instagram page, or our YouTube page, please subscribe to one or all of those so you can follow along my journeys in Germany at Creative World. I'm used to going as a buyer. That's easy peasy. I know what I'm doing and I know what I have to get ready to do to go and be a buyer. But this whole licensed designer thing, and I want to do it right. I want to go and do it right and do it to the best of my ability. So I think I'm overcompensating. Who, me? Hello. All right, so today is Make It Monday, and I did something a little different for this week and for next week, because next week I am in Germany. So I'll be live chatting with you at 2 o'clock in the morning from Germany, but hey, I'll be there. And I thought to keep it simple, instead of doing an actual make, because I just don't have time to do makes and walk you through it like I normally do on a Make It Monday. I thought I'm just going to pick 2 manufacturers and put most of their product on sale at 50% off. One manufacturer this week, one manufacturer next week, and yes, everything will still qualify for expedited ordering if you follow the terms and conditions. So today is Find It Trading. That means if you love Find It Trading and you want it at 50% off, well, all you have to do is order from the Make It Monday category. All the Find It Trading is there. Don't add anything else to your order, and we'll do our best to get it out to you just as quickly as possible. And then next week, I'll have another manufacturer, and we're going to do the same thing, 50% off, and that way you take advantage of some amazing values, and I'm not making something because I just don't have time. Now, when I get back from Germany, we'll get back to our normal Make It Mondays where I make something. And ideally, I hope most of you will be with me tomorrow for my first Take Two Tuesday class featuring Sizzix and Jacquard. It's an overview of what Take Two Tuesdays are going to be, and it is your first opportunity to see all of my March 2024 collection for Sizzix. That's tomorrow, 5 p.m. sunny California time, 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern. Now you know why I'm running to catch up. All right, so I'm going to tilt on down. I'm going to show you just some product. This is a very small sampling of what we have for you for Find It Trade It at 50% off. Just a small sampling. But if you love Find It, head on over. You don't have to wait for me to say ready, set, go. It is live right now. And remember, if you want expedited shipping, just keep your order to what's inside that Make It Monday category. Don't look for Find It Trading in the Find It Trading category. No, this is part of our Make It Monday event. A little different for the next 2 weeks, but for my own self-preservation, I think it was the right thing to do. It's so good to see everybody. This really is. I feel like this is the first moment I've had to just sit. All right, time to get started. Ready? Down we go. All right, so let's see what I've got here. Oh, yep, right, that down. Okay, so I think that's good. So really all I have are things to show you and give you an idea of what they are. So I have dot and do's. I've got several different dot and do's. And what's a dot and do? Oh, it's a kit that was put together exclusively for me from Find It Trading. Each kit is different. No two are the same. However, you can mix and match between all of the different kits. And what comes in each kit? Well, you're going to get a piece of liner paper that they just use as a backer, but I would keep this. I would use this and use it for matting. Here's the kit itself. Inside, you have 3 smaller sheets of cardstock. Now, they expect you to score this and use it as a card base. Frankly, I think you could use it more for matting and just use your own card bases, because if you have that plus this sheet, you've got a lot of paper to work with. Then we have got 3 different card fronts, which are going to make your heart happy. The card fronts are what give you the pattern that you then take all the little stickers and put the stickers on. I feel like there's one more in here. There is. So all of the stickers have different shapes, and no two shapes are duplicated on any sticker sheet. And it's kind of like paint by numbers. You find the shape, you find the sticker, you put the sticker on the shape, and before you know it, you've created the most beautiful, beautiful card fronts. Now, what are you going to fill those card fronts in with? Well, they've given you decoupage sheets, punch-out sheets, where you have 3 different designs, and each design has a 1, 2, 3, 4. You punch out your first design, then you punch out your second, and you take pop dots and you layer your second on top of the first. Then you punch out number 3 and you layer number 3 on top of number 2, which goes on top of number 1, and number 4 on top of number 3 on top of number 2 on top of number 1, which will give you a dimensional element. You have 3 different designs. You have 3 different card fronts to do. You have oodles of stickers, and you'll have tons left over. You have plenty of matting paper, or make your own card bases out of it. And these are dot and do's. They were wildly popular, crazy popular when we brought them in. And I thought, you know, this will be the time we'll just clearance them out, because you can't go wrong for the price with all of this product. Oh, and you get the envelopes. There's envelopes included. With all of this product at 50% off, and it was value priced to begin with, I think that it will make your heart happy. These are a great, simple, easy kit. There's very little, you don't have to ink, you don't have to get wet glue. You can travel with these and do these while you're on a plane. You can take these and have them in the hotel room, and everybody can do them because you just follow along the design find the sticker, put the sticker on the design, and before you know it, it's all filled in. Or don't put the stickers on here at all and ink the whole thing up. Use the stickers for something else. These are dot and do's, and I have a whole assortment that is on sale at 50% off. An entire assortment, and no two are alike, all different. And these are, I mean, if you're teaching a class, pick up a couple of these. These are amazing. So dot and do's on sale. I also have a lot of their decoupage sheets sold separately. So this is a push out sheet. You don't have to fussy cut. Everything pushes right on out that you can use on your cards, your layouts, your mini albums. A push out sheet that you can use. And then we've got lots of decoupage sheets. So this is the same thing where you take all the different layers and pop it onto the very first and make a 3D element. But a lot of times people with Find It Trading will just use the elements by themselves because that gives you so much more. So you can use this on a card, and you can use that on a card, and you can use this on a card. You can use this corner somewhere and that corner somewhere. You don't have to layer them if you don't want to. But I have oodles of sheets. Again, 50% off. When they're gone, they're gone. This is online only. This product is not available in the retail store. So if you are a local customer, you will have to shop online for it. You can do an in-store pickup, absolutely. Now these are just beautiful fronts. They're just, you pop them right out. You don't have to cut them or anything. They're beautiful fronts. Tags, cards, layouts, altered art, mixed media, junk journaling. They're beautiful. Grunge them up or keep them pretty. You can have 6 cards done in almost no time, and they all coordinate so that you then bundle all 6 up and give somebody 6 cards as a gift. Tons of beautiful product from Find It. Love them. Now, quantities are limited, so some we have 1, some we have 10, some we might have 20 of. We also have some of the Thursday kits that we did with Find It Trading that were already value priced. We're going to put them on sale even deeper. And these kits have everything from dies to stamps to paper to push out sheets. They have everything in them. Now these are far more limited than anything else, but if you love them, now is the time to grab them because they will be deeply discounted. So Find It Trading, I told you this was going to be short and sweet. Find It Trading on sale, 50% off for this week's Make It Monday, so that I can get everything I need to get done before I catch that plane on Thursday. I will be back tomorrow for our first Take Two Tuesday event with an overview of it, and then I'm back Thursday. You will not see me here for the live chat because I will be on that plane to Germany. And then I'm back Saturday for our Saturday with Stacy class. And I will be there from Germany live chatting with you as much as I can. So it'll be, I think it'll be about 6 o'clock, 6:30 in Germany, 8 o'clock here. And I have an event that I have to go to. So I'll only be able to live chat for this long, but I will be there. And then Monday, still in Germany, and then thank goodness I come home on Wednesday, so I'll be back here on Thursday. Yes, I'll be back here on Thursday with a normal Thursday. It's just gonna be a whirlwind. Oh, and I'm doing a Take Two Tuesday next week. it's going to be a whirlwind week, that is for sure. But I hope to keep it exciting. I hope to keep it fun. I hope to keep it affordable. I hope to keep it crafty. And I hope that you join me for all of the events, including all the lives that I'll be doing while at Creative World. Some as Stacy Sizix Jacquard, hi, I'm a licensed designer, and some as Scrapbooking Made Simple. Hey everybody, it's me, Stacy, Scrapbooking Made Simple. What do you think of this manufacturer? Do you like this product? Should we buy this product? So you wait, hold on to your phone, your computer, and I hope that I will see you when I'm in Germany. All right, that's it. The product's already live. It's up to go. I'm going to actually sit here and tape next week's Make It Monday right now, and just that way it's off my to-do list because I have to do it before I leave, and that'll be a whole different manufacturer also, 50% off. All right, you guys, what shirt am I wearing? It's me, Stacy. I'm purple today. Well, actually, I'm in burgundy, but if I was wearing my sweatshirt, it would be my purple sweatshirt, my Scrapbooking Made Simple sweatshirt. Hey everybody, it's me, Stacy, Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, saying enjoy this little tweak on our Make It Monday for the next 2 weeks, and I hope you find something that makes your heart happy. All right, online only too, don't forget. All right, you guys, I'll see you tomorrow for our first Take Two Tuesday event with the overview of what you should expect with our Take Two Tuesday classes. Bye, everybody.